Good morning, everyone. This week's example of spectacular customer service was a toss-up between Courtyard by Marriott and Wells Fargo. And I'd like to say thanks to my friend Ray in San Diego for having us choose Courtyard by Marriott this week. Thanks again, Ray. This week, I traveled from Orlando to Los Angeles for an executive flying locksmiths meeting. All of our West Coast owners were there, and I want to say thank you again to those TFL owners because I learned an incredible amount from everybody. I really appreciate it. When I checked in at the Marriott on the first night, I was greeted immediately by Jessica. She had a great smile. She was very helpful in getting me checked in. And when I grabbed my bags and started to walk away, she said, "Mr. Werner, just a reminder, as a Platinum member, you're able to take a soda from the marketplace or a complimentary coffee from our bistro." That put a smile on my face, not because it was a complimentary $3 drink, or since I was in Los Angeles, probably a $9 drink. It just made me feel appreciated that I was part of their program. And then later in the week, on my last day, I came in and I looked over to my right and I saw the bistro manager, Bobby, and he gave me a wave and said, "Scotty, how was your day?" I said, "Bobby, it was great." He said, "Are you staying in for dinner?" I said, "Why not?" And then he looked at me and said, "How about the usual?" I smiled and gave him a thumbs up. Now, Bobby's never seen one of my keynote presentations, so he doesn't know what one of my favorite meals are. However, what he did do was remember what was important to me, and he remembered what I ordered through the week. To me, this was a great experience, and Bobby was going above and beyond and anticipating the customer's needs. Thank you, Bobby and Jessica and the entire Courtyard by Marriott staff for delivering spectacular customer service. Tune in next week as I find and share more examples of spectacular customer service.